Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying license permissions so you avoid takedowns. Inspect the exact Creative Commons variant. Once done, record attribution text and any share-alike obligations. Next, assemble proof, screenshots, original links, and creator contact if available. You should also determine whether you need to transform the material to create a new, monetizable work, add voiceover, edit structure, or combine clips. Doing this first saves time and protects future revenue streams, because platforms enforce license terms strictly. Once your license is confirmed, produce a version that qualifies as new content. You should perform substantial edits, reorganize clips, add original voiceover, new music that you own or license, and graphics. This demonstrates added value. Make sure to include on-screen attribution and a full license note in the description so platforms see compliance. Also optimize metadata, titles, thumbnails, tags to reach viewers. Doing these steps increases ad and affiliate income because platforms reward watch time and originality. Publish with monetization enabled and set up multiple revenue streams, ad settings, affiliate links, and sponsorship placements. Once live, track analytics and keep all documentation, edit history, original sources, and attribution to resolve disputes. If a claim or takedown appears, respond promptly. Submit the license link, screenshots, and details showing your transformative work. One key troubleshooting tip: if automated systems flag content, manually file an appeal with evidence, and politely contact the original creator to seek written confirmation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.